Everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add laser eyes effect on CapCut app. This is the newest update your CapCut. So if you wanna add a laser eyes effect on CapCut, it's so pretty simple. So you just click on the effect at the bottom, and after this you can click on the body effect. Can click on the body, and after this you can click on the headwear, and in here you can see the laser eyes. You can add the laser eyes 1 and the laser eyes 2. I want to try to add the laser eyes 2 like this, and the laser eyes 1 like this. Now you can click check icon in here. And after this you can click on the adjust at the bottom for the for the comfort, and after this you can click on the adjust at the bottom. You can adjust for the filter, for the intensity, for color, and after this you can click you can set the speed, and now you can click check icon at the bottom. Now you can set the effect until the end of the video and finish. So that how to add laser eyes effect, um the newest update on a CapCut. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.